Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded in ages. It's because I haven't had time, and if you have watched my previous video and looked at the comments, I put that I might do like a magic slime thing on the 19th of Feb. Never got round to doing that, and actually now that I put that comment up, I now think that's a completely stupid idea. But if I haven't actually checked whether anybody's liked it, or replied to it, so I'll probably do that after this video. But today, as you can tell by the title, I'll be doing something that I've never done before. I have never unboxed anything on this channel. I usually do I don't know, slime videos. That's mainly what I do on my channel. So yeah. So we are going to be unboxing. I have... Let me just get myself comfy. Pause. What? If you hear woofing in the background, don't mind it. It's just my puppy Blue. Okay, so we're going to get on with the video. And my dad's talking to my dog around there. Okay, so let's get on with the video. Let's go. So I've only ever once unboxed something LOL. I've unboxed a Little Sisters, never done a Big Sisters, and this is I Spy. So I'm excited. Sounds weird. Okay, I'm super excited to open this. So I love it. It's pink, and I love pink. If you can tell by my room, yeah. Okay, I need to find out. Oh, yep. Okay, I always fail at these. Well, not always because I've only unwrapped them once, but like you know what I mean. Last time I did it, failed. Please work. Nope, didn't work. Like I was expecting. Ugh. I can't get it open. I'm back after I've gotten it out. I've got it out. I'm assuming there's nothing on the front packaging, because I don't have a thing yet, and even if there was, I think I won't be able to find anything because that's broken. I probably won't do the spy thing because I don't know, I might not. Okay. Oh, I see. You see the first glimpse. Okay. What does it say? Getting close. Right there. Okay, next. Okay, I've got it out, and it's so pretty. So, let's open this, and I don't know actually how. Oh, there's a little cute stand on the top. Okay. Alright, let's open this. Oh my god, okay. Let's, show you what's inside. So, I see we got a doll right here. So, let's open this, and yeah. Oh, here's the doll. Her head comes off. Is that supposed to happen? I think I broke the doll. I've watched other people unwrap this and I can't, the heads don't come off. And I swear they're already wrapped up in this. I'm confused. If you know what's happened, please comment down below. Because literally, I have watched so many people unwrap these on YouTube. And every single one, they've already had the costume on when they came out. But let's go. Alright. So now this is the costume. So it's got it looks a bit like Spa. Because they're cucumbers, I think. And then this is the outfit, as a bunny tail. So let's dress our doll up in this. Let's go. Okay, I am really confused. The doll's head doesn't even fit in it. This is too big. What's happened? I've seen some people do fake versus real LOL dolls, but I don't think this would be a fake. I don't know. I was so excited, but now I'm annoyed because the head is not supposed to pop off so easily. And I can't even get her clothes on. This is too small, and this is too big, so I can't get them on. Next thing, which is this, which I have no clue what it is. I need my scissors. So I just undid some shoes. They are white. They've got a bit of brown on them, I think. Unless that's just the lighting. So hopefully this will fit the doll. We're going to put everything on after we've unwrapped it. I'm keeping a pile of rubbish over here. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of rubbish. Yeah. Okay, let's put my shoes up here. Next package. And I got this thing, which I believe is coat, like a sticker thing. Next thing. Okay, this is a riddle, I think. Bubble. Wait, what? Usually it tells you. I can't see it. Like, do you need to use the micro thing? I don't know. I can't figure out what. Oh, here is the thing. I've been looking for this. Okay. Down but fish shell. What? I don't understand. I don't understand any of this, to be honest. Next thing. Okay, we've got the handle. The sippy cup. It's very pretty. It's pink, and this isn't there supposed to be a hole there so you can hold it. Okay, after this, I'm gonna look up how to tell the difference between real versus fake Ice Spice Zeros LOL, because I need to know. Okay, like I have watched so many of these videos, and the costumes are already on and they fit. I don't think white is supposed to be brown unless that. I don't know. And then I looked at this, the sheet, and I cannot find the baby on it. But we'll see after we've got the whole outfit. But I'm just hoping I don't have a fake, because I spent my pocket money on this. Next thing. This is the dress. So we've got a like turquoise. I don't know whether you can see in the camera, but in person it's turquoise with little bows on it. It started to rub. I'm annoyed now. Same colour top, but with a purple thing, and the paint has started to rub off. So I'm going to dress up the doll. And yeah. Oh no, you know how I said that the colour was rubbing off? It's actually changing colour. If I rub it, it changes lighter. Let me see this. So yeah, it goes to like a blue coat. If you rub it, so don't really know what to do now. I still have no clue who this is. Oh yeah, I need to see whether it's a Pia or a Spitter, or a change of colour. I'm gonna go and get some water, and I'll be back. So I've got the water right here, and we're gonna see whether she changed colour. Wait, do they all change colour? I don't know. I haven't watched one of the videos in ages. I don't know. Alright. So I'm just gonna place maybe there, perhaps? I don't know. Okay, so now we're going to start. Wait, I did it wrong. Okay, yeah, there's water in there. Okay, let me fill this bottle up and I'll be back. I was just saying that it was a Spitter, and the whole time the camera was paused. Great. Okay, so I'm gonna give her some drink, and then I'm gonna show you. She's a Spitter. Now I'm gonna give her her bottle. Let's give her a bit more. There we go. And then you're ready? Are you ready? Oh, you just spat at me! That's all over my skirt. Awesome. Okay, now we need to see whether she can change colour as well. So this is cold water. So let's see. Does she change colour? Her top changes colour. Well, I did say that earlier. Everything else stays exactly the same. But then when you rub, that's the doll. Now we need to somehow figure out who I have, but I can't. I don't know who. Let's put her on her. She doesn't. Oh no, because she doesn't have her shoes on. So I like this overall. I just wish that everything fitted and like wasn't so breakable. Like the doll's head came off while I was putting the handle on the thing. It actually snapped open, so I had to fix that. It was, and I could not. If you wonder why, I mean, if you know why, I couldn't find it on here. Could you please let me know